In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Tally to Notion. This integration will help amplify the efficiency of your workflow by embedding Tally forms directly into your Notion pages. So let's dive right in and explore how you can get this set up with ease. First, we need to begin by publishing and sharing your form in Tally. Head over to your Tally dashboard and select the form you wish to connect. Once you have your form open, locate the Share tab, which is usually available in the Settings or Options menu for your form. This section will provide you with different sharing methods. You'll want to choose the standard embed option. When you click on this, an embed link will be generated specifically for your form. It's important to copy this link because you will need it to integrate your form into Notion. Now that you've got your embed link ready, let's make our way to Notion. Open the Notion page where you'd like to embed your Tally form. This could be a new page or an existing page where you're managing tasks, information, or projects that would benefit from having a Tally form. All you need to do is paste the link you copied from Tally directly onto your Notion page. Immediately after pasting, Notion will prompt you with an option to create embed. Select this option to integrate your Tally form seamlessly into your Notion environment. After embedding the form, you might notice that the size of the frame doesn't perfectly fit within your page's layout. Not to worry, adjusting this is a breeze. Simply hover over the embedded frame, and you should see that you can drag the corners to resize it. This flexibility allows you to make the form fit snugly into your desired space on the page, ensuring that it looks professional and is easy to interact with. With the form now sitting perfectly on your Notion page, the next step is crucial for the integration process. Click on Submit within the Tally form setup, and you will receive an internal integration token. This token acts as a secure key linking your Tally form to other services. Please ensure that you keep this token secure. It's essential to handle it with care because you'll need it for future integrations or any adjustments related to the form. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Tally to Notion, allowing for a more integrated and organized workspace. This setup not only enhances your productivity but also ensures that collecting and managing responses through Tally is more streamlined than ever. Remember to revisit these steps anytime you need to embed another Tally form into Notion and continue optimizing your workflows. Thank you for joining me today, and happy